Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you yet again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something from Zen Pop. This is from the March 2020 Show You Love pack. This isn't Show You though. This is Sapporo Ichiban Keika Kumamoto Tonkotsu Ramen. It says on here 3 minutes, but I'm looking on this and it says 5 minutes. A little misprint on the one this month, but no big deal. Here's what they have to say about it. Keika Ramen Restaurant is a famous ramen joint in Kumamoto Prefecture, Kyushu. Known as the pioneers of Kumamoto Ramen, they opened their first Tokyo branch in 1968, more than 50 years ago. Kumamoto Ramen's characteristic is its rich tonkatsu broth made with pork bones with garlic chips and ma-yu, which is burnt sesame oil and garlic. Ma-yu's aroma brings you to heaven. Enjoy this authentic Kumamoto-style ramen topped with chashu, wakame, burnt garlic chips, and stallions at your home this month. Bring your beautifully designed special ramen to eat at work. But we suggest you also bring a toothbrush as the garlic aroma is very strong. Okay. Yeah, go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. Here is our boiling water. And so we add in our stuffing things. Noodle block. When they look like this, that's usually a more premium styly style. And then we add in there's your chashu. It's like a slice of pepperoni. Okay, put it on the put it on the counter, sweetie. And enjoy your television programming for children a few minutes longer, and then I'll be out there to hang out with you. Papa's doing his big shoe. Okay, 5 minutes. Big liquid, big oil. Cock-a-doodle-doo! But yeah, 5 minutes going. And so, back for another visit are, you ready? The Monopoly tickets. These, I get them free when I buy crap at Safeway. And you can win junk. But, oh man. Yeah. You can win junk. But not with this one. I was collecting them. I was scanning them because you can scan. I'll show you. This is rad. You can scan them now. Like, you can scan that code and then enter in these drawings. But you can also scan, where is it? Where is it? Yeah, that code there. So you scan that, and what it does is it will do this little thing where it'll check off which game pieces you got. And you just slap all those in a bag, and it'll say, like, you have 4 out of 5 of this one, 4 out of 5 of this one, or whatever. And then you don't have to, like, go through and, like, oh, I need this one piece, and look at every single one. It just does it for you. Well, it's, like, it's great until you forget which pile is which, and you've been going through them, and I was just like, screw it. Instant wins, those are great, but I'm done. I've already wasted enough time on it. Yep. I don't know, I just, like, have only so much time every day, and the odds of winning are 1 in a billion. Because it's not just our Safeway store, it's all Safeway stores, as well as I believe all Vons stores and all this chain and all that chain and the other chain, all over this beautiful United States of America. So I mean, it's like, yeah, it might as well be playing Powerball with 50 cents. So, but yeah, I probably just threw away $1 million, but probably not. 50 cents off boobly water. I haven't tried that. What? You want to try the boobly water? What are you doing over there?
I'm a fish.
You're a fish? Wow. But Mama's not a fish and Papa isn't a fish. $3 off 1 Amerigas propane gas tank exchange. Oh, I got enough gas to light a fire for 3 weeks. I'll just go with that. Thank you very much. Yeah. Diamonds in the microwave. You ever seen that? Go on YouTube and type in diamonds in the microwave. It's a wonderful thing. And it's true. By the way, did you know that Mountain Dew can glow in the dark? It also makes you sterile. Yeah. Man, I'm coming up rather skint on this. There's a whole minute left, but I mean, all I've gotten are coupons. Usually it's like crap loads of instant wins. But we actually used a couple of them. What did we get? We got sour cream and we got a loaf of French bread. And we had, what did we do with the French bread? We had sandwiches with the French bread. And my wife made like absolutely rad burritos the other night. She makes them, I mean, she makes them with whatever, but I prefer them with ground turkey. Because for some reason, when I eat ground beef, I end up burping it up and getting little bits of ground beef coming up with my burpiness. It's true, but it's so gross. I mean, it's like, I don't know. Aren't you supposed to grind the meat with your teeth? $1 off olive oil. That's not going to go very far. Olive oil's a racket. Okay, last one. I mean, we got more, but 50 cents off Blue Diamond almonds. Those I like, but I just don't eat them as much anymore. Alrighty, kids. Here's what we got. I am immediately going to take this Chashu. The reason I'm laughing, wow. I mean, it's like go big or go home. That to me just doesn't seem very Chashu-like. If you're wondering what I'm talking about. See? It looks like a piece of bologna. I've never. And then these places are like, hey, it comes with Chashu. I'm like, yeah. It's not like the way when you go like, oh, dude, it's got Chashu. That's no. The Nissan Rao is that way, and I don't really think I know of any other ones that are like ultra good-sized pieces. And even then, it pales in comparison. But I haven't made it over to Bellevue, Washington recently, so I don't have any of the nicer looking Chashu to play with. Here's some oil. A what? Hawaiian butt change? Oh, a lion, huh? Yeah, you are. You're vicious, Mimi. What do you think of that? Yeah. That's no ba. That's a sheep. Sheep makes that noise. Bah. Yeah. So there's 5 minutes with these noodles. They're thick and looking rather thick and chewy. Oh, okay. Well, go watch your show. I'll be done in just a minute, okay, sweetie? No? Mimi? I'll be done in a minute. Alright, let's give this a try. First off, the noodle. These look very chewy. Hopefully they are a decent level of chewy. Not too chewy. Just right. And I like just right. I'm really picky about the chewiness. What a lovely looking broth. Look at you! That's not bad. Woohoo! Alright. I will say I enjoy that, but I won't say it's my absolute favorite. But I'll say it's up there. Look at that. That's pretty. I like it. I like it when the broth has that nice look to it. I like it when it's more uniform, though. There you go. And what are we gonna do today? We're gonna add... Oh. Now look at this. There's your Chashu. Doesn't that just seem... It's beautiful. And then there's that. And it just, like, makes me sad because it could be so much better. It just does not look like, oh boy, that really complements it. It's like the lowest common denominator for Chashu right there. We could do better, but we've opted not to. Okay. Let's get you. That's driving me nuts. That's where I lose my mind. It's like, come on! Mimi, I'll be done in a minute. We'll find you a horsey. We'll find you a horsey, a kitty, a monkey. Pickled ginger. Oh, baby.
Papa,
Yeah?
I make a zebra shadow.
You gonna make a shadow?
No, zebra shadow.
Oh. Let's do a little bit of this. This is... Oh, heaven. Heavens! Heavens to Betsy. This is Laogan Ma Spicy Chili Crisp, and you just can't go wrong. This might disturb some people that I'm adding this to tonkatsu, but I just don't care. It's just perfection. Ugh.
Papa,
That's not finger licking good. That's like brain licking good. Wow. It makes me want to lick my own brain from the inside. Okay. Well, let's have some rotato fun. There we go. I think I'm going to take this one out. The broth is good. The noodles are nice. I'll have that slice of chashu after everything's all photographed, but it's just like, I'm sorry, but that chashu is an insult to this bowl. Alright, rotato time. Let's do it. Close the door. Alright, well, cool. Thanks for watching. This is a fancy tonkatsu, that's for sure. You can get them over at zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code Ramen Raider and get yourself a little discount, something. And hey, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.